Hello, everyone. My name is Lori Xiao, CEO and founder of Finli. A quick question before we start. How many of us here in the audience know what a certified treasury professional, or a CTP, does at a bank? Oh, I see a few hands raised. Well, I was one. I was one for almost 2 decades working for financial institutions, and my goal at the banks were to attract and deepen business banking, commercial banking relationships, grow non-interest income, grow core deposits for the financial institution. And with every bank client conversation I had, my goal there was to get their bank statement so I can give them an apples-to-apples comparison, so I can show them how much in bank fees I'm saving them if they were to come to us. And that was not very impactful because the truth was, business owners don't care about are they in the right account type or are they not negotiating additional basis points. What is keeping them up at night is the day-to-day operational inefficiencies and challenges that is really hindering them from reaching new heights. And as a certified treasury professional, or a CTP, I didn't have any tools in my toolbox to help them with that. And that is why I built Finli. Finli is a digital back office toolbox for bankers to offer to their business banking clients to help them with their day-to-day operations, like getting them paid. So a billing system that has QR codes, payment links, SMS links, and so forth. And they're able to create and send an invoice and manage subscriptions. So I'm going to do one for you really quick. So ABC Property Management. So I am a start landscaper who is accessing Finli through their piggy bank. So everything is fully white labeled and embedded through their core banking system and digital online provider. So here I am, sending ABC Property Management an invoice. I added landscaping package B, and I signed this to this property that they have awarded me a contract with. And they also wanted me to maybe install a water irrigation system. So here I am, I'm doing a water system, and I quoted them $12,000 for everything. And you know what, the system, I have to track inventory. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to assign how much I have on hand. I have 120. I'm going to set my rewarder trigger to 10. So all my sales team on the field, they're able to automatically know how much we have to sell and what is truly available on hand. And so what we have here is a billing system that allows a business to receive payment in any way their customer wants to pay them, and then be able to manage inventory so they can, at any given time, maximize their revenue potential, right? And then here we are. We're able to send this invoice, and ABC Property Management, AP team, is able to receive this invoice. And when we go back here, we're able to see the invoice history, when it was sent, when it was created, when the payment was rendered. So I have full visibility and control on the financial aspects of my business. And also within Finli, I am able to send out a quote, for RFP bids. I'm able to manage all my customers in one place and manage all the liability waivers and contracts and communications. I'm able to standardize my pricing. So pretty much all the tools that I have to cobble together in softwares, processes, expensive and clunky human teams, I'm able to leverage Finli to support my entire digital back office function through my trusted banker in my most familiar online banking platform, so I can just focus on what I do best. Now let's move on to what's valuable for you, the financial institution. So you are able, through the Finli FI dashboard, get real-time financial insights and data on the performance of your portfolio, or your business banking portfolio, small, micro, mid-sized businesses. See how many invoices did they issue in the last month? How much in collections have been processed and settled into your bank? So you're able to have real-time measurement on really how the business are doing, right? Get insights on how many new customers did they add into their CRM. And so if you think about that information, the value of that information, if you are a revenue-based financing lender and you are able to tag, hey, this borrower, I'm going to get notified when their largest customer negotiated their retainer. I'm going to get a notification. I'm a cash management salesperson. I'm able to get real-time insight. Oh, this company is growing at 10x month over month in the past 6 months. I'm going to talk to them about a money market account, right? So really to have that full visibility and control, truly a game changer to give the banks this visibility so that you can better support and manage your customer base and truly compete against what is out there. The fintechs, the neobanks, there's a reason why small business owners have like 5 debit cards in their wallets, right? There's, at this given time, not much loyalty to their financial institution because they're going to a Square, a PayPal, they're parking funds at a neobank, all for reasons. Now, if you're able to offer those tools, your banker is able to go and say, hey, you don't need to use the Square anymore. You don't have to park funds at a PayPal. You can use us, your trusted bank, and we'll keep everything under one roof because I am able to give you the tools you need elsewhere, but here in this environment. And that's where Finli is able to demonstrate value for. And so with Finli, banks don't have to lose these relationships to the noise of the competition out there. You can keep that connection and truly build long-term relationships and partnerships with your small, mid-sized businesses, giving them everything they need, right, in one place through their online banking. And so Finli is ultimately that bridge for your business banking sales folks and the businesses in your community. We empower banks to compete against what's out there in the market, help you retain and grow your business relationships, and create sticky core deposits. And at the same time, we give you, your small businesses, the digital tools they need to succeed, right? And reducing this win-win outcome, really reducing their admin burden so they can be empowered to grow with very little resources as long as they have you in their back pocket. Thank you so much for your time. I'm Lori Shao, CEO and founder of Finli. Find us in our little booth, and if you have any questions and want a more interactive demo or have any questions, I'm happy to support. Thank you.